A desert is a place where it hardly ever rains. Because there's so little water, deserts can be tough places for plants and animals to live. Most deserts are hot, but did you know that some deserts are actually freezing cold? These are called polar deserts, like the ones in Antarctica or the Arctic. Even though they're covered in ice, they don't get much snow, so they're still considered deserts. Hot deserts, like the Sahara in Africa or the Mojave in the USA, are very hot and dry. They get lots of sunshine and can have super high temperatures during the day. But at night, it can get quite chilly because there's no moisture in the air to hold the heat. Hot deserts are usually found near the equator, the part of the Earth that gets the most direct sunlight. You'll find them in places like North Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Australia. These deserts have a climate that's extremely dry. They can go for months or even years without any rain at all. When it does rain, it often comes in a quick, heavy downpour. Even though it's tough to live in a hot desert, some plants and animals have adapted to survive there. These small foxes have big ears that help them stay cool. They sleep during the day in underground dens to escape the heat and come out at night when it's cooler. These lizards use their sandy-colored skin to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them hide from predators and sneak up on their prey. Cacti are amazing desert plants. They have long roots that spread out far under the ground to collect as much water as possible when it rains. They also store water in their thick, fleshy stems, which helps them survive the dry times. Polar deserts are the exact opposite of hot deserts. They're found in the coldest places on Earth, like Antarctica. These deserts are freezing cold all year round, and there's not much life there because it's too cold for most plants and animals to survive. Polar deserts are found in the Arctic, around the North Pole, and Antarctica, around the South Pole. These deserts have extremely cold temperatures, and there's hardly any rainfall, which is why they're called deserts, even though they're covered in ice. Polar deserts are mostly too harsh for life. You won't find many plants, and only a few animals like seals or polar bears in the Arctic are able to survive in such cold conditions. Now, let's talk about places that are kind of in between hot deserts and wetter areas. These are called Mediterranean biomes. Mediterranean biomes are usually found next to desert biomes and near the sea. You'll find them in places like southern Europe, California, and parts of Australia. These areas have hot, dry summers, just like hot deserts, but they get more rain during the winter. This makes them a bit easier for plants and animals to live in compared to the very dry deserts. The plants in Mediterranean biomes are adapted to survive dry summers. You'll find lots of shrubs and small trees, like olive trees, that can survive with little water. It's interesting how these different biomes, hot deserts, polar deserts, and Mediterranean biomes, are all connected. They show us how life adapts to the different climates on Earth. Whether it's a hot, dry desert or a chilly polar region, plants and animals have found amazing ways to survive. The Mediterranean biomes, which are located near deserts, offer a bit of balance, with their mix of dry and wetter seasons. Each biome is unique and plays a special role in our planet's environment.